Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a drawstring bag. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called BeeGreen. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys open up, this is what the bag looks like. So on the side of the bag we do have the drawstring option, and it is a high quality drawstring. So you guys have it on this side, and you guys also have it on this side as well. And we see in the bottom we do have the knot option, so that way you can loosen it or tighten it based on your own preference. So right here in the front they do give you guys the option to put your headphones through if you guys do use wired headphones. But another way you can use this option right here is where you have to plug in like your cable to charge your phone or something if you guys want to. But if you guys notice in the front part right here we do have like a mesh pocket where you can put like your water bottle, your books, or anything else you guys want on here. So for example, if I want to put my water bottle here, it fits like perfectly. Middle part we do have a zipper compartment, so that way you can open it up. And it's actually pretty spacious for you guys to put a lot of stuff inside. For you to put maybe like your tablet, your notebook, or anything else. And what I mentioned for this part here, you can put like your iPad, your tablet, whatever. It only fits up to a certain size. So if you guys have like an iPad Air, it will fit inside here. But if you guys have like the iPad Pro, which is like 12.9 inch, it won't fit inside because it's too big. But you can definitely see how spacious it is inside. So I want to put my power bank or something inside, or my clothes, I can definitely fit that inside right here. And then when you guys view the overall material of the bag right here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. And then when you look at the inside, it's actually very spacious as well. They do have a little pocket for you guys to put stuff right here, that zipper compartment. Let me actually flip it inside out to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys flip it inside out, you can definitely see that there's a zipper compartment where you put like your wallet, your keys, or whatever. So guys open up. That's basically what the inside looks like. Kind of hard for me to show you guys in the video, but this is what it actually looks like. Inside right here we do have a strap option for you to hang like your keys or something if you guys want to. And then inside right here they provide guys information in terms of the material that they use on here, and also show you guys instruction to teach you guys how to maintain it. So you do have the option to throw a machine to wash it. But once you guys finish washing it, they mention how you guys want to hang dry it so that we can prolong the life of the product. Let me flip it back to the other side to show you guys how to use the headphone option. So the way how you guys use the headphone option is inside the zipper in the front. So I put my finger in through right here. You can see how it goes through. So that is how you guys use it up in here. If you guys want to use like a wired headphone option, or if you guys want to plug your cables through here to charge your phone, you can definitely do that as well. But that is everything that's on the bag. Let me just put it on to show you guys what it looks like first. So once you guys put your stuff inside right here and you guys are ready to put it on, you guys want to pull the drawstring on the side. So that way you can tighten it up. Then you put this onto your back. So just like this, and that is basically what the bag looks like from the back. And here it actually looks like from the front. So obviously the bag will look a lot nicer where you guys have a lot more stuff in here, like your clothes, your shoe, or anything else. Right now I don't have anything in yet, so that's why it actually looks kind of flat. And then obviously for the bag you do have the option to flip it around to the other side and wear it in the front like this. So you definitely have the option to wear like that if you guys want to as well. But that is everything that's on the bag. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not this is worth it or not. So for this bag, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality drawstring bag that has a similar design as this one right here. Where it gives you guys a mesh pocket, the zipper compartment, then also the option for you guys to put your headphones through right here. Or like a cable to actually plug in to charge your phone at the same time. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.